Welcome to a new video of the Solutions Journal. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave us a like and comment. Well friends, let's start with the tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp on the computer. The first thing to do is to go to our cell phone and the application WhatsApp. Once we are here, we are going to go to the top right to the three dots. Here, we will press on the option Linked Devices. Here, we will see that allows us to add devices. When we select this option, we'll open the camera of our cell phone. Here, we will have to go to our computer and search in Google WhatsApp Web so we can scan the QR. We will use our phone camera, and when scanning automatically, we will synchronize our WhatsApp to the computer. Well, friends, if you liked the video, leave a like and be attentive to the next videos. Greetings.